In the heart of Antarctica, where the freezing winds howl and the ice stretches endlessly into the horizon, a secret lies buried beneath layers of ancient ice. For centuries, the world believed this frozen continent to be a lifeless, inhospitable wasteland, its secrets locked in a fortress of ice. But what if everything we thought we knew about Antarctica was wrong? What if, deep beneath its icy crust, there exists an underground world teeming with life, mysteries, and unimaginable discoveries? It was in the winter of 2007 that scientists, while studying the frozen landscape, stumbled upon something they couldn't explain: an anomaly beneath the ice. Radar scans showed what seemed like vast caverns deep within the Earth's crust, impossibly far beneath the surface. These caverns, unlike any seen before, were not just natural formations but appeared to be part of something far larger, something intentionally designed. There were strange magnetic readings that defied the known laws of physics, and what they found beneath the ice seemed almost too incredible to believe. Lake Vostok, a hidden body of water buried beneath 2 miles of ice, had long been a subject of curiosity for scientists. The lake had remained sealed off from the world for millions of years, its ecosystem trapped in time. But when scientists drilled into the lake in 2012, they made a discovery that would change everything. As they brought up samples from the lake, they found evidence of life that should not have existed in such extreme conditions. Microbial life forms, some of them completely alien to Earth's known biology, had thrived in this frigid abyss, adapting to the dark, freezing world that most life would never survive in. The deeper they dug, the more mysteries arose. Unexplained temperature anomalies surrounded the lake, and strange signals were intercepted, something that couldn't be traced to any known source. There were whispers in scientific circles of underground rivers, far larger than the Amazon, flowing beneath the ice. These rivers seemed to connect distant parts of the continent, creating an elaborate underground network. But what was this network for? Who or what was using it? As more research was conducted, even stranger discoveries emerged. Satellites revealed massive cave systems that stretched for miles beneath the ice. Volcanic activity beneath the continent was creating tunnels that seemed to connect continents, forming a subterranean highway that could cross vast distances. The sheer size and complexity of this underground world were baffling. But there were signs that something else was at play, a force that had shaped this hidden world long before humanity could even dream of this underground world were baffling. But there were signs that something else was at play, a force that had shaped this hidden world long before humanity could even dream of discovering it. The military took a keen interest in Antarctica, but not for the reasons most assumed. Countries across the world had established research stations, but many of these stations had something else in common: secrecy. Operations that had once been labeled as purely scientific were now shrouded in mystery. Reports of unusual military activity and restricted zones began to surface. Satellite imagery showed strange bases built deep within Antarctica, in regions that no one was allowed to approach. Why were these places off limits? What were they hiding? In the midst of this, rumors spread of a lost civilization and ancient people who had discovered the secrets of the underground world long before modern man arrived on the icy continent. According to these theories, this lost civilization had harnessed the energy of the Earth's core, built vast underground cities, and created an advanced network that allowed them to travel beneath the Earth's surface. But when catastrophe struck, the civilization vanished, leaving only traces of their existence behind, buried under layers of ice and time. The world began to ask, could this civilization still be alive? Had they left behind evidence of their advanced knowledge? What if they were not the only ones living beneath the ice? And what if the Antarctic underworld held the key to unlocking the greatest secrets of our planet? The deeper the investigations went, the more baffling the findings became. Creatures that should not have existed, plants, animals, and microbes, were discovered thriving in the ice caves, their existence challenging everything known about biology. Strange electromagnetic disturbances were recorded, leading some scientists to believe there might be an unknown power source deep within the Earth, possibly tied to the magnetic anomalies detected in the region. Among the most shocking revelations was the discovery of sounds mysterious, unexplainable noises that seemed to resonate from deep below the surface. These sounds were unlike anything known to humanity, and some scientists speculated they could be signals from an intelligent source. What were these sounds? Who, or what, was making them? The discoveries didn't stop there. Satellite imagery began to reveal vast, networked tunnels that seemed to stretch across the entire continent. Some experts suggested these tunnels were created by forces far more advanced than we could comprehend, possibly to connect ancient civilizations or serve as pathways for extraterrestrial life. These tunnels, some large enough to accommodate entire cities, could hold secrets that would change the course of human history forever. And then came the ultimate revelation. Amidst the ice, buried under miles of frozen water, scientists uncovered what appeared to be the remnants of a massive, ancient structure, something so monumental it defied all known logic. It seemed as if this structure was not built by humans, but by beings far older, possibly even extraterrestrial. The structure appeared to be a doorway leading deeper into the Earth's crust toward a world no human had ever seen. Theories began to circulate that Antarctica was not just a frozen wasteland, but the key to unlocking the planet's deepest secrets. The entrance to a hidden world beneath the Earth, a world that could hold the answers to questions humanity had asked for millennia. Was this hidden world the birthplace of life on Earth? Did it harbor an ancient civilization that had mastered technologies beyond our understanding? Or was it a gateway to something far more extraordinary, something that could change the very fabric of reality? The mystery of Antarctica's hidden world remains unsolved, and each new discovery only raises more questions. What lies beneath the ice? Could it be the remnants of an ancient civilization or a thriving ecosystem unlike anything we've ever known? And what, or who, is responsible for the strange anomalies detected in the region? As scientists continue to explore the frozen continent, they are confronted with one undeniable truth: Antarctica is hiding something much bigger than we could ever imagine. The question now is not whether there is a hidden world beneath the ice, but what that world holds and whether we are ready to uncover its secrets. The greatest adventure humanity has ever embarked on might just be waiting beneath the frozen surface of Antarctica, a world that could change everything we know about life, the Earth, and the very nature of reality itself. But for now, the truth remains locked in the ice, waiting to be discovered. This story is far from over, and we can't wait to explore it with you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.